I've always been curiosity driven. When I finished my PhD was around proton exchange membrane fuel cells. So these are fuel cells that use energy. They take energy from a fuel such as hydrogen, and they convert it electrochemically to give you useful energy, waste heat, and water. And in my postdoctoral study after my PhD, I started looking at microbial fuel cells. So microbial fuel cells do that exact same process, except they use living organisms, bacteria, in order to catalyze or initiate those reactions. And so from that work as a postdoc, I started drifting towards applications that had more of a biological focus. Then in 2010, a little bit of, or a lot of tragedy struck with my sister who passed away. My sister had, she died of sepsis, which is a bacterial infection that goes awry in your body. And after that, I started to become more curious around just bacteria in general, the things they do. It was shocking to me that in 2010, a doctor could die of a bacterial infection. That seemed kind of ridiculous. My sister was a physician. And so that kind of further pushed me towards this space. I'd say another piece of ingredient was really being in Boston. So Boston is really a biotech and biotech hub, a hub for applied biology. And here you are within a 5 or 10 minute drive or Uber from world exports in all kinds of areas. So as I started becoming interested in sepsis and in bacterial infections and in microbiology, there were all kinds of people that I could interact with at Harvard and MIT and Tufts and Northeastern to help me understand some of these problem spaces. And so my work started drifting towards applications that could be used to understand the microbial world.